All you need to get is this single link, post it to our secret free traffic website. Then this is going to bring you in commissions every single day. To get started, I want you to search for a website called Pexels. This is a website which has completely free to use, non-copyrighted videos and photos. So we can use all the images for anything we want. So if we click on this first link here, it's then going to open up their website. You can now see some of the free images we can use. And as you can see, I can click on some of the images here and then we can go into free download in any size we want. This can then be saved to your computer and we can do whatever we want to do with it without getting a copyright strike. And like I said, you can choose the exact resolution that you want, which can be quite handy when you're using them for different platforms. But for now, if we go back up to the top, for this method that we're going to be doing today, we're going to be searching for technology and business. So if we use this search bar, we can then find similar photos and videos around that niche. So first, let's just try and see what comes up with technology. So these are just some of the images that come up first. You can then also search through videos. As you can see, there's 50,000 photos. There's also 10,000 videos you can do. We could use some of these if you wanted, but I'm going to keep searching for some until I find what I'm looking for. So once I've done that, I'll then come back. So this one here is exactly what we need. And make sure when you're doing this as well, you're finding videos that are really good quality, as it really helps later in the video. All these videos and photos on this website are completely free for commercial use and require no attributions at all. So we can use it for anything that we want to do. In a second, I'm also going to tell you what you're going to be doing with this video. If you're following along with this method currently and can't find anything that you like the look of, then there are other websites that you can use that are very similar. You can either search for Pixabay. This is another one that again that has similar photos and videos, or another one that does exactly the same thing is then Unsplash. You might find different types of photos and videos on here, so have a look through both and find ones that you like. Okay, so now you have your content, we need to move on to the next step of this method. If you now head over to a website called Volutic, this is the website that we're going to be using that's going to be paying us. However, you'll be earning money through affiliate sales. This is where you can make a lot more rather than just reading the emails. This method will work very well and get a high amount of traffic because similar to CPA marketing, you don't need sales as such, you only need someone to sign up through your link. So basically, it's going to cost that person nothing other than their time. So even with the low amount of traffic, say 1,000 views, the chances of getting 100 to 200 of those to simply sign up are extremely high. If we go down to the commissions, so say we had 100 to 200 people sign up through our link, this will mean an extra $100 to $200 in our pocket, as we're getting $1 per every referral. This doesn't then include the referral money either that you'll be getting from them actually reading emails. So you'll be getting paid twice, one for the initial referral, then secondly from the commission off of them doing the main task of reading the emails. So what I want you to do now is sign up to this website and then create your login information. This is completely free to do so and a very quick process. Now you've logged in, you'll have a home page that looks like this. So this is where we can see our affiliate commissions and how much you're going to be earning. This here is then the affiliate link. This link is then specialized to you and your account. So this means when you promote it and people click through, if they then sign up, you'll then receive the commission for that sign up. This website also allows you to withdraw money very easily by going through this link here. So when you do start making money with this, you can simply take the money out that you've earned with no hassle. So what I want you to do now for this next step is either copy and paste this link by just using that button there, or just keep this page open for the next stage in our method. I want you to head over to a website called Imgur. This is where people share photos, memes, or GIFs and get hundreds of views. As you can see by using SimilarWeb, this website receives roughly 200 million views every single month. Obviously, not all are going to be targeted for your type of promotion, but this is still a huge amount of views that can potentially see your image. So what I want you to do first is sign up to this website. It'll be up in the top right hand corner here. Again, it's very quick and easy to do and also free. Then once you've done that, come back to this video and we can carry on. So now you've signed up, I want you to then head up to new post in the top left. So if we click on this button now, you'll then be taken to a page where you can drag and drop, or you can choose your files from your computer. While this is then uploading, we can then think of a good title and description for people to then see. As Volutic is a software that is used for people to make money online reading emails, we want to say something along the lines of learn how to make money online. So that could be something quite simple that we could use for the title. Then for the description, this should then be leading people to your affiliate link so they can then sign up. So something like click this link to find out how you can earn money online would work quite well, followed by the specialized link. To get this link, like I said earlier, either have it copied and pasted from earlier, or if you head back to Volutic, then you can just copy and paste it now and you add that straight after. Another thing we can do to bring more traffic into this post would then to be add tags. Make sure they're all relevant to making money online, so you can get a more targeted audience to view the post. So make sure you keep adding tags to get a more targeted audience. So once you've done all this, you can press to community. This will then be up and ready for people to view and then click through your link so you can start getting paid. This also can be done many different times with as many different posts as you like. So make sure you add different titles and descriptions to vary it up. See what ones get a lot of views and which ones don't. Then post more of what's working for you. If you've liked this video, then drop a like and be sure to subscribe for more future money making methods.